Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message for everyone on Messenger app group chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily manage your messages and ensure that they are deleted for all members in the group conversation. Step 1. Begin by opening Messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and group conversations. Step 2. Open the group conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Step 3. Right-click on the specific message or photo that you wish to delete to reveal a list of options. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Remove for Everyone to indicate that you want to delete the message for all members in the group chat. Step 5. Click on Remove to confirm and permanently delete the message for everyone in the group conversation. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message for everyone on Messenger app group chat on your PC. Ensuring that messages are removed for all members helps maintain privacy and control over your group conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages and delete them for everyone in the group chat on Messenger on PC. Enjoy a more secure and private group messaging experience by utilizing the Remove for Everyone feature in Messenger.